And it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday! I am back! Oh my gosh, it's 6 o'clock. I am so late, but let me tell you, it was worth it because, check it out, I got into Bath and Body Works today. There's a little Christmas in this bag. Oh my gosh, I got a bunch of videos for you guys tonight. Bath and Body Works today has got the $4.95 on the Fine Fragrance Mist. This is a must purchase if you want to try Luminous, because this is actually $18.95. I think if you have a 20% off coupon, they go down to $3.96. This is a total stock up event for Christmas. By the way, I feel like I'm losing my voice a little. I don't know. My mother and my daughter kind of have colds. I'm like, it is pouring outside. I have been out all day. I actually went to an event at my alma mater this morning. I'm like, oh my goodness. It has just been a crazy day. I'm also working on a really big project with my friend Lenny, and it's just been all over today. And I'm like, I think I'm starting to lose my voice. I'm hoping not. I'm hoping it just kind of works itself off because I got a lot of talking to do. So today, $4.95 on the Fine Fragrance Mist. Again, you're going to want to pick up Luminous to try it. If you're at all interested, today is the day to do it. Also, the brand new packaging on Pure Wonder is gorgeous if you like Pure Wonder. And then in the stars, also, oh my goodness, the Fine Diamond Shimmer Mist, also included in this sale. So I went into Bath and Body Works today. I didn't even get much in terms of the sale because I'm pretty well stocked up, I gotta say. So I did get the Diamond Shimmer Mist. Check it out in the Luminous. I really wanted this one. It's super pretty. You know me, I collect the Diamond Shimmer Mist. Oh my gosh, my hands are so dry. Like I can't get the lid off. But check this out. I like these better than, remember I was saying the Shimmer Fizz lotion. Get a little shimmer on there. I still like Luminous, you guys. I still like it. We're going to do a lot more with Luminous as we go into Christmas. So other stuff available online. Japanese cherry blossom, sweater weather, leaves. Oh my goodness, you guys, leaves. That's one to pick up. Sunrise Woods, Fallen Bloom, Moonlit Martini, Into the Night, Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. The only one you really can't get is the Pumpkin Pecan Waffles, which is sold out. Ooh, Cucumber Melon, Cozy Vanilla Bourbon, those new ones, Chasing Fireflies, Fresh Vanilla Blossoms, Vampire Blood. Remember I said get your Halloween stuff. Midnight Spell, and Everlasting Magic, which I have right here. Also includes the Diamond Shimmer Mist in the sale. So that's all I got for the sale. Oh my goodness, you guys. Check it out. Winter Candy Apple in the new packaging. I'm going to do a Christmas preview video right after I do this video because you know what we're going to smell? We are going to smell Golden Berry Mistletoe together. I cannot wait. And then look what else I got. I got a little Vanilla Bean Noel. I got to say, this is my favorite packaging in like years. I absolutely adore this packaging. It's not faceted. We're going to talk about that in my next video. And then I did get 2 candles today because the $14.95 candle sale is still going on today. It's funny, no one's getting the gold lid candle in my store. The thing, I'm really surprised because I love that one. So I did get the Perfect Christmas. I love the plaid. This is one of my favorites. Oh, that smells so good. Look at the rich red wax. This one is fresh cut pine, cinnamon sugar, and toasted marshmallow. Luckily, I can still smell everything. And then I had to get this one. So I have raspberry thumbprint, I have the peppermint sugar cookie, and now I have Merry Cookie. I don't know if there's going to be more than 3 in this collection, but these are so cute. This is like my favorite collection. Oh my gosh, Merry Cookie smells so good. I must be in the mood for cookies. Fresh baked cookies, sparkling sugar crystals, rich vanilla, and I really love this blue jar. So I was super excited that I got into my store. There are no trains left. None. Oh my gosh. So I think my store had like 4 of them. They sold out that first day. I am so happy I went in and I got my train. I know it's $150, but I gotta tell you, I love my train. I love it. It's so cute. I actually have it on the dining room table right now. I'm like, I got all this Halloween stuff. I got Christmas moving in. Yeah, so it's a little bit crazy at my house right now. But definitely check out the $4.95 Fine Fragrance Mist sale today. This is a huge savings, especially on the faceted. I mean, even if you want to go back a couple seasons and think about Christmas, like Sensual Amber, that's a good Christmas one. Midnight Blue Citrus, that's beautiful. Let's see, Diamond Shimmer Mist, we've got In the Stars, Everlasting Magic, Midnight Spell, lots of stuff here. The minis aren't that good of a deal. Dream Bright, if you want to get Dream Bright for Christmas, that's definitely one that a lot of people liked last year. But what I love is this sale, like I said, includes the brand new Luminous, because this is the perfect time to try it out, because you do get that really pretty. It's worth it just for the lid, honestly. Like if you're a Bath & Body Works collector, this lid is gorgeous. Actually, the packaging, the gold's really pretty too. So anyway, oh my goodness, $4.95 sale. I'm just looking. Actually, Luminous is getting terrible reviews. I think that's really funny. Oh my gosh, nobody likes Luminous except for me. Go figure. I don't know why. I like it. It's a nice scent for me. Anyway, whew, we got a lot happening today. Let me know if you're shopping the sale, and I will see you guys in a few with Christmas. Anyway, I'll see you guys then. Bye-bye.